Are you Marcia?
I am. I am.
Thanks for meeting me here. Usually not an interweb dating guy. Barely ever use this phone computer. Unless it's to bundle my insurance with Liberty Bibbity.
Oh, same. I hate this thing, but it's true. You can save hundreds bundling with Bibbity.
Bibbity?
Bibbity?
Bibbity.
Bibbity.
Are you hungry? Let's get some lasagna.
And some cannolis.
Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, liberty, liberty.
We interrupt our programming at the request of the White House. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this national emergency message. This is not a drill. A national emergency has been declared. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. An imminent nuclear threat has been detected directed at the state of Florida. Multiple inbound missiles are confirmed. Impact is imminent. If you are in the state of Florida, you must seek shelter immediately. Get inside, and stay tuned. If you are in a building, go to the lowest level, such as a basement or center room, away from windows and exterior walls. If you are outside, lie flat on the ground and cover your head. Do not use your telephone as lines are needed for emergency services. Radioactive fallout is expected. The safest buildings have thick, concrete, or brick walls. Stay inside for at least 24 hours. Do not leave your shelter to locate children or family members. Schools and facilities are responsible for them. Repeat, an imminent nuclear threat to Florida. Seek immediate shelter. This is not a drill.
This is an NBC News special report. Here's Lester Holt.
Good day. Is interrupting it.
This is a presidential alert issued at the request of the White House. Your utmost attention is required. All stations and cable systems shall transmit this presidential alert. This is not a test. Please stand by. This is an additional update to the emergency notification message that was sent earlier. Under the direction of the President of the United States, the U.S. Department of Defense have launched a missile to try and stop this missile from hitting. All residents of Florida, Georgia, Alabama, and South Carolina should evacuate immediately. Warning: this missile has the ability to wipe out all life in Florida.